So hello students, in the series of chapter 2, today I will learn some different concept about the polynomial. Till exercise 2.1 we have learned identification of polynomials and kind of polynomials based on degree and terms. So today we will learn a different topic. So it is known as the zeros of polynomial. So I will start through the given polynomial 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is a polynomial. So what is the value of this polynomial at any value of x? So first we learn how will we find the value of polynomial of any particular value of given variable x. Okay. So first any variable we consider and we notice that px means polynomial on variable x is 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So in this polynomial we put the different values of x and we will find the value of px for the x. So first at x is equal to 0, start by 0, x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in px. So put x equal to 0 in px. So p in place of x we put 0, p0 equal to 2 into 0 square because it is x square. So it will convert into 0 square. And yes, 3x plus 3 into 0 minus 5. And finally we have 0 square in 0. And when we multiply to any number we always get 0. And here also 0 and minus 5. So value of P0 is minus 5. Second part, at x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, we can solve and we find the value of px. So put x is equal to minus 1. So px we have px is equal to 2x square plus 3x 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So on putting x equal to minus 1, we solve p minus 1 equal to 2 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 5 and solve. So we have to find p minus 1 equal to, so what is the square of minus 1? Generally we get minus 1 square equal to 1. So 2 into 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and minus 5. So p at minus 1 equal to 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. So value of polynomial px at x equal to minus 1 is minus 6. So this is the way through it we can find the value of any polynomial at the any given value of the variable x. So next example we will take also as third example. At x is equal to 1. We can take 1, 2, 3 and so on number. So here we get x equal to 1 and we know px is equal to, so what was the value of polynomial px? 2x square plus 3x minus 5. 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So according to last way, we put x equal to 1. So put x equal to 1. We get P1, use 1 in place of x, equal to 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 5. So students, P1 is equal to square of 1 remains 1. So 1 2 ja 2 plus 3 1 ja 3 minus 5, and finally P1 equal to 2 plus 3 5 minus 5, and finally we get P1 equal to 0. So listen student carefully. A value of x equal to 1. We got the value of polynomial is 0. So x is equal to 1 is a 0 of polynomial. I hope it will be understood by you and keep in your mind that any value of any variable of the polynomial, the value of polynomial is 0, then that value of that variable is 0 of the polynomial. Clear? So if another value of x, when we put in px, we again get 0. So it will also a 0. So because of it is a quadratic polynomial, because its degree is 2, so it contains 2 zeros. If any 1 degree polynomial, it have only 1 zero. Okay? So number of zeros is equal to the degree of polynomial. Clear? So again I am going to clear the concept. We use the question and exercise 2.2. Okay? So I am going to solve exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 and question first. Question first, read with me in a book. Find the value of the polynomial. Question है, find the value. Find the value of polynomial. Find the value of polynomial. What is polynomial? 5x minus 4x square. 5x minus 4x square n plus 3. So we can provide a name of this polynomial px. Okay. So first is putting at x equal to 0. At first part x equal to 0. So as we have learned, we are going to find the polynomial at x equal to 0. So we have to put in place of x, value of x is 0. So put x is equal to 0 in px. So here is polynomial x. So we can say polynomial px on the 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So putting x equal to 0 in it, we get p, write 0 in place of x, and here also 5 into 0 because 5x means 5 into x, and 4x square minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. And students, we know very well, when we multiply any number to 0, we always get 0. So V0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 3. And finally we get the value of polynomial at t to x equal to 0 is 3. So we can also write in a statement form of value of polynomial at x equal to 0 is 3. Okay? The second part of the same question, at second part x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1. So again put x equal to minus 1, because I am going to find the value of polynomial at x minus 1. So put x equal to minus 1 in polynomial px. Okay, so write the polynomial first. Px is equal to, what was the polynomial? 5x minus 4x square, 5x minus 4x square plus 3, plus 3. So put x equal to minus 1. We have p minus 1 equal to 5 into x into 5 minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So students, solve it and find the value of polynomial at minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 5 and minus 4 into, so what is the square of minus? Yes, we always get plus. So it 1 and plus 3. So equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3. So finally we get p minus 1 is equal to minus 6. This is the value of polynomial at x equal to minus 1. And third part of the same question is x is equal to 2. So we can also solve it. First we write the polynomial px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and put x is equal to 2 and use the same process. P2 is equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into square of 2, because place 2 in place of x plus 3. So here 10 minus 4 into 4 plus 3, 3 plus 10, 13 and minus 4 plus 16, and finally P value of polynomial at 2 is minus 3. So this is the process and way to find the value of any polynomial for particular value of a variable x. And the same process will apply, and the difference between question 1 and 2 is that in question first we will find the value of polynomial only one value of x. Here we have one polynomial in form of different variables, and we will find the different value of the variable in this question. So I will solve question second and first part. Problem second, part first. If you understand this part clearly, then I hope and I believe you can solve each and every part of this question. So try to understand clearly. The polynomial given py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. And with the help of this polynomial, we are going the value of p0, p1, p0, p1 and p2. And it is so easy to understand us because about it we have studied in last question also. So first p0, first part, py. What is py? Y square minus y plus 1 is given. So p0. So place 0 in place of y. Place 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So p0 must be equal to 1. This is the value of polynomial for the value of 0. Second, p1. p1 means put 1 equal to y in the given polynomial. Y 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, and finally value of polynomial at 1 is 1. So p1 is equal to 1. And third one is p2. So p2, put x equal to y is equal to 2. Here put y is equal to 1 or here 0. Put y is equal to 0. So here by 2 P2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2. So P2 must be equal to 3. So I hope you have understood what is the process to solve and find the values of P1, P2 and P3, and remaining part of this question you will solve and the same process will be applied. So again the part I will take for you. Second part of the same question, because in this question the variable has changed. So polynomial is given to us that pt, because variable in the form of t, so write pt. Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So check the polynomial carefully. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So same p0, p1, p2. So first p0. So what? T is equal to 0. Put p is equal to 0. So p0 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. Square of 0, cube 0, any power 0 remains 0. So 2 plus 0 always, 2 means p0 equal to 2. Now p1. Second for p. So put t is equal to 1. So we have t is equal to pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square, 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Check. 2 plus 2t plus 2t square minus t cube. So put t is equal to 1 and p1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square plus minus 1 cube. Put 1 in place of t. 2 plus t मतलब 1, 2 into t from the 1 square and minus t cube मतलब 1 cube. So p1 2 plus 1 plus square of 1 remains 1. So 2 in the 2 and minus 1 plus 1 cancel and p1 equal to 4. And next one is p2. Third point is we are going to find the value of p2. So write the polynomial 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Check. 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So put x to t is equal to 2. P2 equal to 2 plus, put 2 plus 2, t square means 2 square minus 2 cube. So now solve. P2 is equal to 2 to 4 plus square root of 4 and 4 to the 8 minus and cube of 2. 2 to the 4 to the remains the 8 and we change cancel out and P2 also equal to 4. Okay, this is the way to solve and find the values of given polynomial with the help of proper solution. And the same question on part second, third and fourth. The third part in the form of x, px equal to x cube, and fourth is in form of x also. So I hope it's a homework. Question second, part third and fourth. You will try to solve yourself. And definitely, if you revise these two parts properly once again at home, definitely you can solve remaining part and remaining course. After all, I will discuss later. I can remain the questions. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.